So what are we doing now, Josh? Another network lesson?
Yeah.
You're going to use your PC as PC letter A, and you want to be able to communicate with the switch. And I think we're going to use IP addresses that are valid to our home environment. Let's first find out what IP address you have on your computer. Your IP address is 172.310.76. This interface right here is really what is known as your default gateway. We're going to redo your assignment to be addresses in our home. This is what is known as a broadcast domain. Represents the entire subnet of 172.3110.0/24. There we go. So we're pinging Google. So the ping stopped when he unplugged it from his computer, of course. Now we are plugging it in to the switch. Now get your blue cable, and we're going to run that from the switch back up to the PC. And then the switch will be sitting between you and our home router.
There it is.
There we go. 2 lights now. Cool. Orange means it's negotiating spanning tree, and we can learn about that later. There we go. Now they're both green. And now
There's a reply.
you are getting replies. So now the PC is connected to the internet through your Cisco switch that you're testing with. If you type show MAC, you will see the MAC bridging table. Now you're going to see all the dynamically learned MAC addresses. So interesting, check it out. On port 2, you have one MAC address on port 2, that's your PC. You have all those other ones on port 1, that's the uplink to our bridged Wi-Fi environment in the house, and that's every MAC address in our home. Now we need to find a vacant 172 address in our home that you can use. So you roll up, there's a bunch of addresses. Just ping .2, 172.3110.2. Enter.
Like so?
Watch what happens with these pings. Boom.
Wow.
There we go. Now Telnet right here. Password required but not set. Go back over here. You have to go to line VTY0 and type a password. This is how you give a password to a Cisco switch.
Telnet password.
Hit the up arrow. Enter. There you go. You're in. Type enable. Now you have to give it an enable password.
Okay.
So exit out of that. Now type enable secret. Okay. Go over here. Hit enable. There it is. Now it's asking. Now you're in. And so now this is .2. All is well. The internet is back here. Big cloud, the big eye.